purpose of this video is to explain to our customers how to use custom reports. Log into your IHDE web application, go to the orange tab, Assessments. Then click on the gray tab, Reports. Create a new report. Click on the gray tab, Reports. Create a new report. You can title this whatever you would like. I'm going to title it Fitness Assessments, Spring 21. Under Type, I'm going to use the Custom. There's an arrow down. There's 5 different types. We're going to talk about Custom. Starting date, I started collecting data on March 1st, so I want the dates to cover the area in which I inputted the outcomes. Observation report, you have 5 different choices. Last, first, mean, highest, lowest. I'm going to take the last. Then I'm going to include participant history, because many times we have kids move from class period to class period or from one instructor to another. Available groups, first period. I'm going to look at the measures in which we collected data on. I'm going to select about 3 of these here just to show you. Then double check. Groups in report, measures in report. Click Create Report. From here, you can choose to download it into an Excel sheet or download it into a PDF. I've already clicked Download into Excel sheet, so now I'm going to open up the Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, many times it will have enable editing. You'll need to do that. So I click on it, and now I'm going to take rows 1 and 2, and I normally delete them out. This allows me then to double click here, open up my headings so that I can see exactly which measures I have. Then it's just a normal Excel sheet. And you can rank this from the highest, lowest. You can sort this, do all kinds of things, set records, do whatever is best for you and your students. If you need more information, please reach out to your customer success manager.